How to pay with gift card McDonald's app. So make sure that your McDonald's app is up to date. And when you click in McDonald's, as you can wait, when you are in the app, you could see that there is no pay with gift card in the app McDonald's because it needs to be a face-to-face situation. So it you need to go to the store to pay with gift card and it doesn't allow in the app. So as you can see in more, you cannot see some gift cards or pay with gift cards in options, or even if I go to your deals or go to food, there is no option in paying with gift card in McDonald's because you need to go um in its store, and there you would buy it with gift card, and that's it.